Our region is now seeing confirmed pertussis cases, otherwise known as whooping cough. Charity Caldwell brings us some statistics on the number of cases and more details.
Pertussis, which is more commonly known as whooping cough, is confirmed in Benton and Grant counties. Currently, there are 2 confirmed cases in Benton County and 32 suspected cases, with 21 confirmed so far in Grant County. The condition, which usually has a duration of 7 to 10 days, is very contagious and spreads through droplets from coughs and sneezes. It generally starts with the usual cold or flu symptoms before fully developing.
It's not one of those conditions where, it's rare, but what really we are concerned is whenever the numbers are actually starting to spike up. And so we usually might see a case here, a case there, but for some reason right now, throughout the state of Washington, we're seeing an increase in cases, not only in our county, but also throughout the state.
In 2023, Washington had 37 cases of whooping cough. This year, the state has had a whopping 555 cases so far, a stark difference from last year. We're told this is preventable, though, and necessary steps should be taken, especially for those who are highly susceptible, such as infants, pregnant women, the elderly, and anyone with a compromised immune system.
It is prevented through a vaccine. The disease itself could actually happen in anyone, even if you're vaccinated. However, if you're vaccinated, there is 2 things to it. One is the disease will be less severe, and second, there is less of a chance of you actually becoming infected. Pertussis could actually be very, very, very severe in infants.
It can lead to seizures, brain damage, pneumonia, and sometimes even death. That's why it's really important to go see your doctor if you suspect that you do have whooping cough.
So be sure to thoroughly wash your hands and practice good hygiene to help prevent whooping cough. Reporting from the Tri-Cities, Charity Caldwell, Action News.
It's recommended you stay home if you're experiencing symptoms, and if you must be out in public, wear a mask.